Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think it's very clear that this is going to go up and make a wave Y. I think this right here is an A of Y, I think this is a B of Y, and I think we're in an uptrend for a wave C of wave Y, which I still think needs to go up to about the 78.6 Fibonacci extension before we actually see a bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is the end of a correction right here. That would make this a wave 1, and that would make this a big ABC of 2. I think there's a very good likelihood we are already in that wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame on the Aussie, we definitely do have 5 waves up right here, so we could possibly end up seeing a bigger correction, maybe even take out the low of wave 4 before we actually continue the uptrend. Now there's really no proof of that, and in looking at the dollar index, there's definitely a chance that this just makes a higher low, and just keeps on making those higher highs, higher lows. So definitely be cautious going short, thinking that we're going to have a bigger move to the downside. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down. This last push down is definitely 5 waves, which like I said could be telling us that this is a wave A. So if we do get a bounce from a fib level and we do get a nice break and hold below structure, then that would tell me it's a wave B, and that would also tell me that it would probably make a pretty good sorting opportunity for a wave C. But I would have to see a nice break of structure hold, break and hold below structure to believe that it's a wave B, because all the higher time frames are in an uptrend. There's a chance that this makes a higher low, it just keeps on trending up, continuing to make those higher highs and higher lows, especially because I think we're in a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, at least until this thing breaks this structure right here, even as a short time frame trader, I would be doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. If this right here does make a higher low, make an engulfing up, make a break of structure, then I would just continue to make long entries for the continuation of this uptrend. The trend is your friend until proven otherwise, and every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. So I think we need to primarily be looking for longs. Like I was just explaining, if it does go down, if it does break below structure, then it probably is a wave B, this probably is a wave A, and at that point it would probably make a pretty good sized downtrend for a wave C. But I would have to see it break and hold below structure to believe that it really is going down for a wave C, because I think it's actually more likely that it's going to make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. But what we think doesn't really matter. The market's the only one that really matters, so if it does break and hold below structure, then we'll stop looking for longs, and we will start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program at fxpipcollector.com to get all the benefits unlocked for you. As always, thank you and happy trading.